IT card. Finance your software. Solutions, modules, interfaces. Boss. Business, operational software systems, web SEO, mobile apps.
These slides now have individual timings, so if I was to hit playback, what you'll hear is it's actually going to
Request
playback,
no credit check,
and then it's
delays,
going to
finance.
naturally move from slide to slide with me chatting over the top. So I'm here. Now what's happening is
Whenever you get into a question about money and ERP, CRM, and staff web development interface management systems, costs can range from plans to over $5 million. You're approved when the bank says no to IT work. Use the IT card over 60 months or more. Pay 0% interest. The iBank's Money Napa. Name, address, phone, offer.
Come down here, file format. Choose MP4 or MOV.
How to use your IT card. Approved to build better credit. Example,
How to create assets from software and intellectual goods. Example, software goods appraisal value $40,000. Structure and convert into your asset $3,500. Use as leverage. Registered appraised value $40,000. How much is your software worth as a commercial asset leverage? You'll receive our Business Insider Guide with your tracking system on your second or third month of using our user interface license agreement.
Much more. You can also find out how to share and refer and make money monthly, helping business and institutionals finally track corporate IT cards and build their business credit by offering IT cards. Welcome on board.